Ever had customers balk at the price tag of your amazing products? Or maybe you're offering high-ticket services that require upfront investment. Well, what if I told you there's a way to make those sales happen without scaring people away with the full price right off the bat? My name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. WooCommerce Deposits plugin lets you offer flexible payment options like deposits and installment plans, making even the most luxurious products and services accessible to a wider range of customers. Think of it as offering layaway for the digital age. We're going to learn to increase sales and avoid abandoned carts. In the next few videos, we'll deep dive into everything this plugin offers. We'll learn to configure global deposit settings, set up product-specific deposit options, create and manage payment plans, and even handle coupons and discounts like a pro. By the end, you'll be unlocking sales you never thought possible. So, get ready to turn those dream purchases into reality. Let's get started.